Hello everyone, welcome back to Home and Creativity with Monique. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you had a great week. Well, today it was raining earlier and it was a little windy outside. So normally on rainy days, I just take the advantage of trying to get things straight in the house. So I'm just going to bring you guys along with me. I will be doing some chores, and also I have a little bit of canning to do as well. And also I purchased an Amazon product, and I would also like to share with you guys what that is. So I'm going to just let you guys enjoy the vlog, and I will be back shortly. I just wanted to show you guys, this is a pork tenderloin that I bought maybe 2 weeks ago, and it was on sale. It was marked down $8 off the original price, which the original price I believe was like $25 or less, but I think that it's still a great deal, and I'm able to cut my own boneless pork chops. And I would say off of this pork tenderloin, I gotten about maybe 25 to 30 pieces of pork chops. So if you like pork chops and want to save a little money, I think this would be a great way to save money on pork chops, is to cook them yourself. So this is at Costco's. This is where I purchased the pork loin from, and as you can see, you may can't see the prices, but they had them for different prices, but $8 off. So now it's time to make salsa and spaghetti sauce. I didn't go into just direct detail of me making spaghetti sauce and salsa. I do already have videos on me making spaghetti sauce and salsa, and I will link those videos in my description below. But I'm just simply sharing with you guys just an afternoon of me doing a little bit of canning. You know, it was just a indoor day for me, so I just decided to just get some very needed things done in the house. I'm getting started on dinner for tonight. So these are the mustard greens that that came out of my garden. So I'm just sauteing those greens, and I'm also gonna add in some seasonings, also some black eyed peas and some sausage as well. And I don't have a name for this dish, but the two items that the two vegetables that I love to eat are greens and peas. So I just combined the two together with some sausage and onions. And I know it may sound like a weird combination, but it is very good. My family loves it. I love it. And I just, just been making it for a couple of years now. What made me come up with this dish was the Hoppin' John. And I know Hoppin' John is like black eyed peas and rice. But I just decided to take it a step further, just by adding in some sauteed mustard greens, and just combine all of that together, and we just eat it over rice, and it is very good. So it's just one of those things, don't knock it until you try it, because it is good. This is later on in the evening. It's actually 9 o'clock at night, so I got all my house chores done. I'm cooking, and I took my bath and everything. So I just wanted to share what's inside this little package here, and it does deal with gardening. I was strolling through Amazon to look for some new seed trays, and I stumbled up upon what's inside this box here. So it's actually a seed tray pack, and it comes with grow lights, and it also comes with a cover or a shield to go on top of the seed trays. So I'm going to open it up and share with you guys what's inside the box. Okay, so that's how it looks. So there's nothing else in the box. So okay, so not sure what this is yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll find out. Look like it's just self-explanatory. It doesn't have any instructions, but I can always refer back to the listing. So I'm just going to set out each piece. Okay, this and this. Okay. These are the contents that came in the box. This here is supposed to be the grow lights. These are some name tags where your for whatever you're planting. These are the USB charger cords for each light, and I think you just plug that in. I think with this you will need a charger block to be plugged in the outlet. And it also came with a little shovel little thingy, and I think this thing here is you can kind of poke down in your soil to place your seeds. And another tool, I'm not for sure what exactly what this is for, but that's what I have so far. And this would be like the dome. And of course, by looking at this is where you will put your soil and your seeds. And this would be the drip tray, I believe. So let me try to put one together. So this is the drip tray, and we're gonna get the seed tray. Okay, so that fits in there, and we're gonna get one of the domes. And I think it goes on top like that. Okay, and it acts as its own greenhouse. And then let's see here, I still have my laundry to do. Well, I have my laundry to fold, so that's why the basket is here. And you will take one of the grow lights and place it, nope, the other way. Place it down in there. I believe that this little thingamajig right here goes into this hole right here. So I think you just kind of gotta press hard. Let me see. Okay, so this is how it will look. So you have your you know, your seedlings in here, and you got your top serving as a greenhouse, and you have your grow light. So I'm excited to see if this works, and I would be glad to you know, give you guys updates on this particular product here. And that is how it looks. Let's see, that's the light. So I'm excited to get some seeds started in this. I want to try it first with my peppers and tomato seeds. So I'm excited to see if this works. If it works, then I will get another set. So you guys, this concludes my video. I thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you guys be blessed.